5383 Mirage Circle, a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, is nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac in Diamondale Farms. Hi, welcome to 5383 Mirage Circle in Diamondale, Michigan. I'm Kathy Byerly, Realtor with ERA Reardon Realty, and the sellers and I are delighted that you've chosen to come visit this home. Come on in and enjoy. Open the door to soaring ceilings and the light-filled living room. Your eyes will be drawn to the beautiful new fireplace, accented with shiplap to the ceiling that rises to the second floor. Nearby, just off the dining room, the spacious deck invites you to the backyard to enjoy nature, relaxation, entertaining, and summer fun. Main floor master suite is tucked away just around the corner for privacy. Second floor hosts freshly painted 2 bedrooms and the second full bath. Fully finished basement with 2 egress windows and a half bath is ready for hosting parties, a theater room, or additional bedroom space. Backyard fencing invites pets or child safety. Thank you for visiting and considering this well-maintained home in Diamondale, Michigan.